So here we are in a crazy time with crazy things going on. There's so much to tell you. There's not anything to tell you other than Margaret's back. So yeah, took it to the garage today to get that upright put on there, and they've done it, so that's good because that's what I wanted them to do. The old one's down there. I'm not going to get it out because I can't reach, but yeah, 96 quid. Probably, by the sounds of it, it were easy. It was an easy job to get the other one off, but I didn't want to get stuck with some half on half off at car. So yeah, she's done. That means I can start using her again now, and see if I can get Henrietta in garage to. I don't think she's not going to fit. At least I can get it back ending while I'm doing some paint or whatever, and then take her back out again afterwards. But yeah, welcome back, Margaret, and happy fixed day, if that's a thing. Ta-da!
Mr. George, Roger Batty, Mr. George, Roger Batty is our friend, the kind of friend you see once a week in a yard. Mr. George Roger, Mr. George Roger Batty. George Roger Martin, Mr. George Roger.